You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two very common words in English. Their spelling is different. They look somewhat similar. They are pronounced exactly the same, though. Those are homophones, meaning that their pronunciation, I should say, is exactly the same. Pronounced as right. Obviously, the top word is direction, okay? Your right hand. Also, something that is good, morally good, or justified, or acceptable. It is right. This is the right decision. The bottom word is obviously a verb when you use a pen or pencil to write something. A book is written. Right is how you pronounce it. They are both pronounced the same way. Don't worry about the W to the verb. It's not really pronounced. It's just pronounced like an R. Right. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.